This is how a simple and perfect YouTube outro must be made in CapCut. To make this ending, we add an ending photo, and then we go to Effects, and we type Glow Warm, and we enter. We add this effect, and we put it from the beginning till the end of the photo. Then we add a text, and we type "Thank you for watching," and then we choose this color. We move it here just a little bit after the photo, and then we go to Effects, and we type Fade Out, and we select this, we move it here just before the middle of the photo. And last thing, we go to Stickers, and we select this subscribe sticker. We reduce the scale, and we put it here in the top corner. Then we move the sticker here, as you see, just a little bit after "Thank you for watching." And we are done. Let's see the result.